Hey everybody, welcome back to this Tamiya TC-01 Formula E kit build. Today we're going to be working on the rear upper arms. Let's get started. Alright, the rear upper arms is almost exactly the same as the front, and we're going to start the same way by inserting the suspension balls into the upper arms. Okay, next step, we're going to put these two links on first. Again, the order is 1 and 2. This is the first step, and then this is the second step. So we're just going to snap these on. Same thing as the front. We need to make sure the rocker arms are in this position, like that. And we're going to snap them onto this ball stud. So it's going to look like that. Okay, when you're done with this step, it should look like that. You know what, I just discovered I previously made a mistake. There was one step back in step 26. So I missed this right here. I need to put a ball stud right there with a nut on the back there. So let me do that first. Shoe glue right here. It should look something like that. All right, again, I apologize. So there are the ball studs right there. And I'm going to put these links on. Okay, and it's going to look like that. Okay, once again, we're going to start building the uprights, and I have all the parts together. I have the hub carriers, the ball studs, bearings, and the axle. So we're going to work on this step 34 right there. And again, it's asking to screw on a ball stud from the bottom on this side. Then push in a bearing. And then the axle. So it's going to look like that. Okay. And we're ready to turn the page. Okay, let's get started on attaching the uprights. We have the kingpins right here. We have the two long screws. We have two spacers and two dog bones. And of course, we have the hub carrier we just built. Again, I'm going to take the axle out for now and then get it ready. So it's going to be the same process as the front upper arms. We need to start with the kingpin. Then the screw. And the spacer. And now we're going to put the hub on. And it's going to be in this direction. Make sure the ball stud's on the bottom. So far, just a little bit easier because this side is done and I have it propped up on the armorer's block where the axle is actually in the main hole. So it's holding it up pretty steady. Again, I have the kingpin. Okay, this side we have to do a few more things. We need to put the axle back on, obviously, and then we need to grease both sides of the dog bone. Okay, awesome. Now I can, while I'm already here, just going to snap this on. Okay. Just like that. Let's work on this side. Again, make sure the ball stud is pointed on the bottom. Okay, and when you're done, okay, all we have to do is put on these caps. There you go. Again, a very clean look. All right, there you go. I have the rear uprights and upper arms installed. I also made a correction to this would-be toe link right there. And we're getting very close to the end. I think we only have 2 or 3 more videos left. We're going to be building the dampers next, and then the wheels and tires and miscellaneous body parts, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.